try your best just to make it quick. Home attend to the sick. Cause there must be something she can do. This heart is broken in two. Tell her it's a case of emergency. There's a patient by the name of Gregory. Night nurse, only you alone can quench this your thirst. My night nurse, oh gosh, oh the pain is getting worse. I don't wanna see no doctor. I need attendance from my nurse around the clock. Cause there's no prescription for me. She's the one, the only remedy. Night nurse, only you alone can quench this your thirst. My night nurse, oh the pain is getting worse. I'm hurt by love.
We all face these crises. Mama cry. Papa cry. Children cry too. Now tell me this. How do you feel when you have your meal? I know some people out the street can't find food for eat. Now it no pretty, what a pity. Inna the city things sticky, get tricky, so the place on the hill. How you fi send out frustrated police? We go try keep the pace when the violence increase. A hungry man is a hungry man. Me did that tell them in a me song from 19 down. The people them fed up cause them no have no food to eat. Right now a desperation makes so much corner beat. The hunger way fi bring back Jamaica. You have to put some of the food on them plate, yeah.
You know she say everybody a cry.
Uptown, downtown, midtown, landslide, Highland Ride, smash confusion and crazy night. But you got to be wise. Open your eyes. When me do certain tune, and when me chat certain things, that is the people them a chat out a road.
Serious thing.
Come me don't afraid fi talk, me a talk from me heart. Them things that you fi know.
Serious thing.
Hurry up and do something, cause you just start to nothing. No dollars now flow.
A serious thing.
Now the people them a make up nice, cause them realize that you telling your lies. When you watch the news, I see the whole of sweet Jamaica turning in a danger zone. Enough Jamaicans say you're foreign, say them don't like the system, them afraid so them now come back home. Say them don't like the vibes along a yard, them rather turn abroad, them prefer living on the cold. Them run away from the sunshine, them say police and bad boy blow too much. Well, no respect and growth. Oh man, if you don't love a man, make him know. Man, if you don't love a woman, let you know. I'll break up.
No, no, no.
For real, a big deal.
You don't love me, and I know now.
Nobody now to tell me nothing, not plain thing for say. Can't read it like a book. Me no come.
No, no, no. You don't love me, yes, I know now.
What you mean? The minister share walk it out, Steve McGreeve. For real.
'Cause you left me, baby.
You just pack up and gone and even if I know it.
And I've got no place to go.
Woman, you want to see me on my Bible? Me a pray to me God. You think a one night me pray or a two night me pray? Beg Father God does to make this girl stay. It's more than word to say, but she still go away. Walk from Kingston, now me gone to Mobay. Everybody that me see me off, them fi pay. Them looking at me face and I know is what them say.
No, no, no. I'll do anything you say, boy.
Interested? Oh man, get wild.
If you ask me,
Anything.
baby, yeah, I'll get on my knees and pray, boy.
Night and day me pray for that girl, I know, no one time or two times. Woman, it burn me heart and it left me grief. When me see up on the road, all of my go with Steve. And me know the nice loving he might receive. He might reap the fruits while I me plant the seed. To get back this girl, yeah, it's all me believe. If me don't get this girl, yeah, me not go proceed, yeah. It's like in life I cannot achieve. Woman, you left me vexed now and grief. In a Father God I believe. Yeah, me get vexed and grief now.
'Cause you left me,
Just gone,
baby.
I have hydrate, I have brethren, I even have sister. Englishman and me hydrate, Canadian man and me brethren, American man them and me hydrate, and the daughter and me sister, Jamaican man and me neighbor, and the daughter and me sister. African man and me idol, and the daughter and me sister. So you can't come rush me no badness, for me now deal with it. You can't come rush me no big gun, for me now deal with it. Look into yourself, we are one ready, yes. And I know you know what is going on. Englishman and me hydrate, Canadian man me breaking, American man and me hydrate, and the daughter and the sister, Jamaican man, they mommy neighbor, the youth men climb and the attitude. The little youth climb and the guava tree, but the big man climb and the C string, just to put on his